Okay, so I was actually going in the correct direction. So yeah, what I said, follow that. Just see the yellow marks or the directions and just follow them and it'll be good. Yeah, another thing is I want to actually do this 11,000 steps every day for like a month or so, and I know this is doable right now. I mean, that's the mentality I think should be first, that you kind of know that it's possible, it's doable, you can do it, and then there is a chance that it will happen or it will not happen. But first you have to have a mindset that yes, indeed it is doable, it's possible to do it. I mean, otherwise it's not going to happen in any case. So in every month or something I feel that it's doable, but not to the extent that I feel this month, especially because I was able to clear the first 4 days, and then I know like towards the end of the month there is a lot of travel coming up for me, so I'll be able to hit this mark that I want to hit, I would say every day, and with a bit of every single day by default. So like the normal day will become much higher than the 8,000 mark that I was talking about in terms of steps. So I'll be able to do it. So, and with a bit more effort, maybe like every single day also towards the end. So yeah, I'm thinking like, why not push a bit more for the middle of the month, which is like a kind of a buffer of 15 days, and see if I can hit them also with like the target of 11,000 steps, so that this whole month I can be, I don't know, I'll feel proud. I think at least, even it is like 3 days or 4 days and I am still feeling proud. So yeah, that's one of the thing. Like I want to do it for a month and then see how I feel, and then I see what did I explore in a sense, because just walking around the office area and the city and everything is fine, but walking in these places where you don't hear anyone, it's just the nature and it's just clear sky and grass, greenery and mountains here and there. So yeah, I mean there are a lot of areas in Switzerland which have hikes, and I have not been able to do them, mainly because last year I was going with a group, and I hope we'll be able to continue this year also. But I was going with a group and we kind of align our timetables and schedules to find a weekend free and like a place free, so that we spend a lot of time that day outside. But we kind of miss a lot of, in a sense, simpler hikes, and which are much closer in a sense. So I was like, why not give them a shot also, because I'm going to use my kind of free days, where free here means that I can walk until late in the afternoon, and then I'll take like some means of transport to reach. Yeah, you see the mountains coming up ahead. Of course I'm not going to go there, but yeah, I mean, you can see them now. So yeah, that's the path we took. Yes. So yeah, so there are a lot of these kind of, I would say, simpler hikes which don't have a lot of elevation, don't go through very risky terrains, and are kind of more quieter. I mean, all the other hikes also that we did last time were quite a lot quieter, but still. So I was like, maybe I'll try to tick them off from the all trails app. So I'll basically go, I'll find a place which is within like an hour from my whole house or home, and then I can go there late in the afternoon, do a hike which is 2 hours, 3 hours, and if I do that, I know I'll definitely be hitting that 11,000 mark, and then I can come back. So it kind of ticks off two things. The first one is are they trying to gather the cows? Oh, maybe. Anyways, I'll try to zoom a bit so that you can keep on seeing the mountains. So I'll be able to hit the 11,000 mark, and on top of that I'll be also able to see these places. Like, I mean, of course, if I go to some trail in the mountains, hopefully in the summer, then I'll be able to see them more up close. They would be more like risky, of course, but also there'll be people around you, and then it's just a more strenuous physical activity than what I'm doing right now. I mean, then in that case, I'll do little things in life. I mean, yeah. So, yeah. So the goal is to essentially tick off 2 things by doing these, and yeah, I'm hoping that during the weekends, during the days where I can be at home, I'll be able to do something like these, which don't take a lot of time, but also I'm able to enjoy something so nice. Yeah, I mean, I know a lot of people who would just kind of feel like they should have something like this accessible and near to them. So yeah, another thing I wanted to point out or talk about is although I'm posting these videos, but yeah, I don't hope that you watch them. You can probably listen to them. It basically gives you a timestamp, because yeah, you're just listening, and you know if the video is 10 minutes long, then you have spent your 10 minutes in a sense. I mean, that's what I kind of track when I'm also walking and listening to like podcasts or some like YouTube videos. I watch a lot of Mr. Ballin, so yeah, so it kind of keeps track of the time. So you know, if you listen like to one video, then it's like it's in my pocket, like the phone is in my pocket, so I'm not seeing what is happening, but I'm listening to whatever is being said, and then I know like once it ends, 30 minutes are gone. So yeah, I hope like this, like maybe seeing this or kind of looking at these, you'll start appreciating the nature a bit more. I'm not the one to force or anything, but if you can appreciate the nature, then maybe you'll start to go out and then just listen to something like this. I don't know if you like it or not. I don't know what I'm going to talk about. I don't have a script, but I'll have something. I'll talk about something. Like I'm doing this alone, so yeah, I don't have anyone here to talk around with, so I'm going to say blabber something. I mean, there is too many things in life to not talk about. So yeah, maybe you'll listen to it or to something else that you like, a podcast or like another video or something that you like, and you are out. Or like, if I mean, I don't know, like this is just natural, like what you see on Instagram and everything. They I'll do it a bit smaller again. Yes, so whatever you see on Instagram is just too fancy, but life is not that fancy. It's pretty normal, it's pretty simple, it's pretty simple here doesn't mean like, here simple is like the opposite of fancy. That's what I'm going for, because life is way too complicated. But yeah, who am I to even talk about a lot of life experiences? I'm just 25 or something, so yeah, there are many more people who have experienced a lot more things by 25, and there are of course people who are more than 25, so they to some extent by default have experienced a lot more in their life. So there would be much better people to talk about these kind of things. But in any case, yeah, I'm just trying to show what really it looks like. I'm just capturing it. I'm not going to edit it. That's one of my pain points, that I don't want to put things which is like a lot edited. So if you see my Instagram or something, I have tried to edit things, but then I don't feel that they are that genuine. And if I put everything that is genuine, then with the current attention span of people, why will anyone even look at it in a sense? But this is good. Like in YouTube, I just upload it and I'm done in a sense. Like whatever I recorded, I just upload it. So yeah, I'll take a bit of like talking rest, and I'll keep continuing walking. So yeah, you see here there is again the yellow marks. So that's kind of a hint for you. During the winter when you're snowshoeing, those are pink, so they're like pink marks, and then there is like pink poles, so you can follow them. And yeah, so we just go straight, and then this sound, I don't know, these kind of sounds are just too soothing.